Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the computer aided process synthesis unit number 5 energy integrated distillation process. In a previous lecture માં આપણે heat integrated distillation નો પાર્ટ જોઈ ગયા હતા. જોઈશું હવે આપણે multiple effect distillation part. Okay, this is the theoretical part and some graphical system, some figures. Okay, different effect છે તે જોઈશું આપણે. So now start. For separation where the temperature and the rate of heat transfer for a distillation tower cannot be positioned under the hot composite curve, જે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલના રિલેટેડ જોઈ ગયા હતા કે ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ટરવલ મેથડ અને મલ્ટિપલ યુટિલિટી મેથડ. ઓકે, about the cold composite curve also and a hot composite curve in a figure 10.42 B basis above. Now the several possibilities exist for creating a more energy efficient and the distillation part for operation when the price of fuel is high. One widely used configurations for distillating water is multiple effect distillation, in which the feed stream is split into approximately equal a portion and sent to be same number of a separate distillation tower, each operating at a different pressure. As illustrated in a figure 10.43 section part A, for a cascade of two effect, the pressure in the tower decreases from the bottom of the top of the cascade, so that the temperature of the adjacent condensing, the vapor and boiling in liquid differs by the delta T minimum. In this way, heat from the condensing vapor in the tower below at a pressure of the P2 and also transferred the bottom part of the liquid from the tower above and the lower pressure of P1. Note that the flow rates and the feed stream are adjusted to equate and the sum duties of the adjacent condensing point for this figure. Okay, some effect આપેલી છે, two effect distillation part and the tower and the heat exchanger configuration part, and also TQ diagrams. Okay, the pressure is to the tower decreases from the bottom to the top of the cascade, so that the temperature of the adjacent, the condensing vapor and boiling liquid differ by the delta T minimum. In this way, the heat from the condensing vapor in the tower below at the pressure of P2 is a transfer of the the bottom liquid from the tower at the lower pressure of P1. Note that the flow rate of the feed streams are adjusted to equate the duties of the adjacent condensing and boiling stream also. In this way, the heat duties associated with condensation and boiling Q effect are approximately equal to the heat duty for a single effect. Okay, divided by the number of n effect. This is the Q effect also and Q by n effect. When the prices of fuel in the high pressure, they represent substantial reductions in the operating cost. On the downside, however, the pressure level is increased in an effect, and one of the distillation tower and multiple towers are needed when while pumping the cost to increases the pressure of liquid feed, and the separate streams are low, the tower walls the thicker, increasing the purchases cost, and the relative volatility is due to the higher pressure. Increasing the number of trays or height of the packaging required to maintain the same reflux. This is the same Q effect in many cases. Okay, this increasing the some this point regarding. Okay, now first of all they draw this flow figure. The effect, the two effect in the tower and heat exchanger configurations part, TQ diagram. Simply the feed in the section part, this one F1 F2 Okay, this column is a T1 and a T2. For the refluxes is this two part. This is a decanter separator અહીંયા decanter part 2 become. For a graphically is a temperature Q diagram. For a Q effect and a condensation part, for a reboiler also as a delta T minimum differences. Okay, completely drawn this diagram for a multiple effect temperature. Multiple effect distillation part for the separation is a rectangular TQ diagram. A distillation tower cannot be positioned under these conditions. Okay. And these figure માં જો આપણે several possibilities કેટલી કેટલી છે એની creating a more energy efficient is part distillation operation. When the price of fuel is high and one widely used configurations for distillation water is multiple effect distillation part in which the feed stream is split into approximately equal portion of stand to the same number of separated distillation part tower, each operating at a different pressure as illustrated in a figure for a cascade of two effect. And the pressure in the tower decreases from the bottom to the top of the effect cascade so that the temperatures of the adjacent condensing vapor and boiling જે liquid diffusion ના part પર છે delta T minimum સાથે. In this way the heat from bottom of the liquid tower and the at the lower pressure of P1, not that the flow rate of the feed streams are adjusted the heat duties associated with condensation and boiling Q effect માટે જોયું આપણે approximately equal part છે duty for a single effect માટે અને Q જે divided by the number of effect માટે છે n effect, and the Q effect is nearly equal to the Q by n effect જે condensation અને reboiler માં આવશે. When the price of the fuel is high, this represent a substantial reductions part in the operating cost also. On the downside, however, the pressure level is increased in a effect n of the distillation towers and multiple towers are needed, while the pumping cost to increases the pressure of liquid feed streams are low. અને ટાવરના વોલ થિકર પ્રમાણે જોઈએ તો increasing the purchasing cost and the relative volatility is decreased at a higher pressure. High pressure increasing માટે છે. And the number of trays or height of the packaging required this some point for this figure below, and required to maintain the same refluxes is the same Q effect. Many cases માટે જોઈએ this increases in the this figure also. Now this simply effect જે આપણે ટાવર અને હીટ એક્સચેન્જર કન્ફિગરેશન્સ માટે અને ટેમ્પરેચર અને Q heat of diagram, rate of heat transfer. Now some these figures the variations of two effect distillation FS, LFS and LSR. Okay. Now the operating and purchase cost are small when compared with the large saving in these utilities for condensing and especially boiling. The net effect of dividing the feed stream into an effect nearly equal portion is to elongate. The temperature and Q diagram is shown in a figure for a 14.43 10.43 નો part B figure જોઈએ આપણે diagram માટે. Note that the total area is not converged because the pressure level is each effect determined ધ બબલ પોઈન્ટ માટે અને ટેમ્પરેચર ઓફ ઇટ્સ કન્ડેન્સિંગ વેપર અને બોઇલિંગ જે લિક્વિડ સ્ટ્રીમ માટે છે. ધ ફીડ સ્પ્લિટિંગ એફએસ એલએસએફનું ફિલિંગ મિલી છે લાઇટ સ્પ્લિટ ફોરવર્ડ હીટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન અને એલએસઆર છે એમાં જોઈએ આપણે લાઇટ સ્પ્લિટ ઇઝ અ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન. Okay, now this simply the net effect of dividing the figure માં આપણે જો stream is not effect an effect no nearly equal to the portion is to elongate the temperature અને Q heat diagram the figure માં આપ્યા પ્રમાણે. Note that the total area is not converged because the pressure level is each effect determine the bubble point temperature of its condensing vapor and boiling liquid stream માટે. To variation on a multiple effect distillation do not involve the feed splitting as described above section part the shown in figure 10.44. For these configurations as shown in figure, the entire the feed stream sent to the first order light stream forward and heat integration and light split reverse. R means reverse integration part. Okay, about the half of the key component. Okay, now the two variation on multiple effect distillation do not involve feed splitting FS as the described above section part and shown in this figure. For this configuration as shown in figure 10.44 આપણે જોયું the entire feed section stream જોયો અલગ અલગ LSF, LF and LSR. In this case the heat integration is in the this direction of the mass flow. For the outer variation figure 10.44C referred to as the light split in the reverse માટે છે a heat integration for a configuration part. The feed is sent to the low pressure column. Here also about half of the light key component is removed in the distillate with the bottom product pump and sent to the high temp pressure column. In this case the heat integration is in the reverse direction of the mass flow and the not that this configuration part. Okay, so in a flow diagram the variation of two effect distillation છે. Okay, this operating and purchase cost small when compared the large saving and the utilities for condensing and especially boiling માટે છે. And the net effect on the dividing the feed stream into the n effect nearly equal portion is the elongate. Now this one flow diagram also two effect distillation part and the tower and heat exchanger configurations TQ diagram. Okay, F1 and F2 is the feed intersection part. For the two effect distillation the tower and heat exchanger configurations. For delta T minimum temperature reboiler માટે અને temperature condensation માટે part 1 and 2 આપેલા છે. Okay, simply the last discussion point on the figure 44C referred as a light split reverse in the heat integrations configuration part. The feed is sent to the low pressure column. Here also about half the light key component is removed in a distillate with the bottom product pump and sent to the high pressure column. In this case the heat integration is in the reverse direction of the mass flow and not that these configurations are compared among themselves and with the single column is this example 21.7 માં જોઈ ગયા હતા આપણે where the dehydration of methanol is examined first. The configurations part are compared when operation is in the steady state condition, then the contability, and recently each configurations part assessed in response of to typical distributions and verified by the dynamic simulations of the FS, LSF, HYSIS plant and CNR analysis ના બેઝિસ પર છે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે હીટ પમ્પિંગ, હીટ રિકમ્પ્રેશન અને રીબોઇલર ફ્લેશિંગ. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.